Alright guys, 2013-14 basketball flawless. Random player box break, single box break. Going back to those, did about 4 consecutive cases. Just gonna do single boxes for this case here. 2 rounds. Round 1 of it. This is a random player box break number 25. 189 total spots as usual. We'll roll the die to pick the box and the random on one roll. So if I go odd number, we'll do the top box, even number, bottom box. Good luck. 3 times. Top box. Odd. Still very good. My day's been alright so far, thanks. And I know my wife's in there cooking some pasta, so that's making it real good going forward. Looking forward to dinner tonight. Alright, Will H on the bottom here. Hashtag ignore Janikowski on the top. 1. Let's add the numbers, forgot. There you go. 2. And 3. Longy, 8421, number 1. Nick J, 85, number 189. Alright, on to the teams. I'm sorry, or I should say the players, right? Zadrunas Ilgauskas and AC Green on the bottom and top. 3 times. 1, 2, third and final hit. Flawless 1 boxer, cross fingers, hole winners. 3, Paul Millsap up top. And the bottom spot is Tony Parker. Millsap and Parker. Alright, here you go. Find your name on the left. Find your player on the right. There's 1 to 30. There you go. Put a big T on this one. Remember, it's the top box. Alright. 31 down to 60. $61 to $90. We're almost halfway there. Right. 91 to 120. CJ going for Bargnani. 121 to 150. $151 to $180. Good luck, 3-point. There's Kobe. All right, and the last 9 here. 181 to 189. Alright, guys, can start trading and selling your players. We'll break very shortly here.